Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been so long since I've filmed. I have really missed it. I apologize that it's been taking me some time, but today's video I'm going to show you guys what I got in my Boxycharm this month. I know I am so late posting this video, but honestly, there was like this storm going on throughout the states, so my box came late, and then after that happened, some life stuff just kind of got in the way and I had to take a break from filming. I couldn't get up the energy. I couldn't be myself in front of the camera. It wasn't going well. So I kind of needed to take a break, but I'm back behind the camera. I feel so much better now and I'm really excited to film and check out these products. So anyways, for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box for like $21 a month, and you get a lot of makeup products. Like usually I think you get like $140 worth of makeup or something. It's definitely worth it to me. I will leave a link down below if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm or go check it out. So the first product in this month's box is the South Main 3 Eye Gel Pack. It says it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes the under eye. So I'm excited to try this stuff out. Seems great. It says, hey, you have to leave it on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. I'm not going to be trying it on right this second just because I have makeup on. I know it probably looks a little weird because my eyebrows and my foundation are just done, but you guys know the drill with that. I like to take a peek at what's in the box and do the rest of it first. And by the way, ignore my eyebrows if you can tell how terrible they are. They look awful right now. They really need to be done, but I'm really excited to film a video showing you guys how I actually groom and shape them myself and fill in my eyebrows. I know a couple of you guys requested that, so that video is coming up soon, so I figure I can film that tomorrow, but for tonight I had to deal with the beastly eyebrows. The next product in the box is this pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. It's in 18 Hush Blush. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm not really a fan. It looks like that kind of cheap gold packaging, but I don't really mind that. The blush looks gorgeous. I mean, that looks so pretty. I'll swatch it for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Yeah, it definitely looks super pigmented. There's a color on my hand right there. I will apply this to my face right now. I just gotta get a brush. I didn't put on any bronzer or anything like that because I just wanted to see what the blush looked like. I didn't want to overdo it. It's definitely pigmented. I do feel like a little bit goes a long way. It is a really pretty color. I just use my stippling brush and that seems to work best for this blush, but that's a hit for me. I mean, I really do like it. So the next product in the box is the Vintage Cosmetics Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. It says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the show, and step 3 go girl go. These are the 3 brushes that came in it. And I actually think that we have gotten vintage brushes before, so they're really nice. And these are like the full size. It's not like a travel size, so I really like that because I always like it when we get full on brushes. I can't really stand it when you have like the little tiny travel size brushes. I don't really like those, so I like that that's like that. It says we have this angled brush to work into the crease of your eyelid and your outer corners. I do actually love brushes like that. Then we have the flat shader brush to apply eyeshadow to the lid. And then we have the smudger brush, which you can smudge the lash line. Like I would use this for my lower lash line. I'm actually really glad that we got this one in the box because I was just looking around the other day and realized I don't have a good smudger brush. So I was really excited about that. So my favorite item that I was most excited to get was this eyeshadow palette. It looks like Boxycharm and Purr Cosmetics teamed up or collabed, however you say that, to make this eyeshadow palette. Look at those beautiful shades. I am so excited about that. I was just thinking the other day how bad I really wanted some new eyeshadow, like something colorful and fun for spring. So I'm really excited to play around with this. So I'm going to go in with the shade Perfect right here. And I'm going to use that all over the lid just to kind of set everything in place. Also has a huge, really nice mirror right there. That is so nice. I really like that. Love palettes that comes with mirrors. I think I actually might mix like Nikki right here and Belle right there. It's like a peach kind of shade and then a pink. I don't know that I'll do any crazy look today, but I was thinking about doing a spring makeup tutorial, so I think I'll do that next. I'll take the angled shadow brush that we got in the box and go in with that Belle shade. Ooh, that picks up a lot of product. That's a really nice brush to get right in the crease there and on the outer corner. I really like that. Like, I can pack it on and then blend it through the crease perfectly. I really love this brush. I actually really want to take ATL right here and kind of pack that on the outer corners. I'm going to take the flat shader brush that we got in the palette and try to apply that. That's definitely a shade that you want to use either with your finger or with a wet brush. I knew that going in, but I still wanted that color on the outer corners, so I did it anyways. Next, I'm actually going to take the shade Charmer right here. I can't help it. I was so drawn to that shade. Okay, so that Charmer shade that I just put on my lid, definitely you want to use that wet, like with a wet brush, because it definitely was a little bit more chalkier, I guess. Like, I don't know if chalky is the right word, but it definitely feels like it's more of like a glitter topper. I honestly don't mind. I'm liking the way that the look is turning out right now. So I'm just going to go back in with Nakey, the shade I first started off with, and blend out the edges. And I'm going to use that shade right there. And then I'm also going to bring it down with the smudger brush that we got in our boxes. And I'm going to put that under the lower lash line as well. I think this brush works amazing for the lower lash line. I have not had one that fit really well under there and did the job right. So that's why I typically will skip this step. I feel like if you have the right tools, things turn out a lot better, in my opinion. Next in our boxes, we got the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. I was really excited about this. I don't understand where they're getting these numbers from. On the side of the box, it says 200% thicker lashes and 314% increase in curl. You guys see that? Like, I don't understand where they got those numbers from, but I think that's so funny. I've been wanting to purchase a new mascara, so this is like the perfect timing. I did actually go out and splurge and buy a ton of new makeup, and I'm going to be doing a video on all of it really soon. I can't wait to test everything out for you guys, but I didn't have to buy this, and this is a huge thing of mascara. Like, I don't know. It's like I don't know. It's the size of my hand. I just feel like this is really big compared to most of my mascaras. And so this is what the wand looks like. And we'll just test that out there. I'll actually use the mirror from the palette since it's so nice. Wow, I actually really like that. I feel like it gave my lashes like a natural curl, and I feel like it made them, I don't know, I feel like it made it more voluminous. Definitely love the mascara. I don't like curling my eyelashes. I just love skipping that step. So, okay, so this is the final look. Honestly, guys, I love this palette. I think the shades in here are so beautiful. I don't mind that I need to wet my brush for some of them. That's perfectly fine with me. I love actually using the NYX glitter primer, and I think that will make these shadows look amazing. I can't wait to play around with some of the more colorful shades and come up with a really great look. This mascara was probably one of my favorite things in the box, honestly. I love the way it's making my lashes look, and these brushes worked perfect for when I needed them to. Like, I love this angled brush. I feel like I got the color in there so effortlessly. I love brushes that do that. Honestly, all of them were just amazing. So I love that we got full-size brushes. I'll definitely try the under eye mask later on. I'm excited to try that because I haven't actually tried any ever, I don't think. So yeah, so that's it for this month's Boxycharm unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.